Hi, I'm professional makeup artist Kendra Richards, and today I'm going to show you how to use both blush and bronzer together. When I'm working, I never send anybody in front of the camera without both blush and bronzer. Blush adds a glow and bronzer adds definition. Today I'm going to begin by using Star Bronzer in Sun-Kissed by Lancome. I'm going to start the bronzer this time at her forehead and work my way down. Just a couple of sweeps right across the top. This you can build as you like. I'm going to begin with a little bit of bronzer and then I'll come in later with a little cheek color and then see if I need to add more. And I'm giving her this glow and I'm giving her this definition on the cheek with this bronzer. A little bit of definition at the chin here as well. Touch across the nose. And these are spots where the sun will naturally hit her face. I like that. I'm going to leave it to start with and I'm going to move into blush. I'm going to use a bright pink blush that's still sheer to waken up her face. This gives her a glow that looks like it's radiating from the inside out, and it's a perfect complement to the bronzer. Because they're different shades, they're a great complement. And now that I've used the blusher, I'm going to go over with the bronzer just to complete the look and blend it all in as well. Now this bronzer is in a more neutral shade, so I'm not adding pink to the face like I had with the blusher. Giving her that sweep across the forehead. And then that last key point to always remember, you want to take that bronzer, carry it down your neck and onto your chest if you have a V like Catherine is wearing, so that there's a seamless color from neck and face, chest all the way. So this is a perfect way to look like you've just come back from a vacation. If you wake up and you feel like you need a little pick-me-up, blusher and bronzer together are a perfect way to get that fresh glow that looks like you've just come back from vacation. And there you go. That's how to use both blusher and bronzer together. I'm Kendra Richards. Thanks for watching.